everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to quickly and easily decompose clips in DaVinci Resolve. So you've got your compounded clip here, and to decompose it, it's really easy. Just click on it once, it'll go red, then right click and select Decompose in place using clips only. This will split the clip back into its original format, just like that. And then you can go back in and create another compound clip if you want, and it's back into a compound clip. However, you can also chop it up and then choose to decompose it. So we've got the same clip chopped up into 3 different pieces. Then you can just right click on a section, go to Decompose in place using clips only, and it'll only break down that specific section here. Now, something you might not actually know, but generally when you have a clip that's compounded, it has far better playback than something like this. So if you do have a lot of stuff on your timeline, maybe just consider turning it into a compound clip just to get some better, smoother playback. However, you can also do a pretty good job of getting good playback using the playback option at the top and selecting proxy timeline resolution and changing it to either half or quarter, especially if you're using 4K footage. Generally, I think it's best to just use half pretty much all the time. There's not that much of a difference between full and half, so it's definitely worth using for a bit better performance. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.